Welcome back, guys. Today we have another wonderful recipe. I have a banana and cranberry loaf. It has 3 steps, but I'll try to make it as easy as I can so that you can make it for your family. So here I have a 2-pound loaf pan, and all I did was put a little butter in there, and I'm taking this parchment paper, and notice that I only put the butter on the bottom just so that it could hold my parchment paper. Okay, so our pan is ready. I also preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna put this aside for a few minutes. So I am gonna work on the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients are 1 1/4 cup of self-rising flour, any self-rising flour. And I'm going to put this aside for now, okay? You're going to need a good ripe banana. My recipe is writing 2 bananas because I'm only going to use 1, but look at how huge this banana is. The riper the banana, the better your loaf is going to come. So we're going to put that in there, and we're going to mash it. And we're going to mix that as well. Okay, so now we're going to put this aside. And now you're going to need 2 whole eggs. And you want to take those eggs and lightly beat them. Now you're going to use 2/3 cups of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix that in there with my egg. So this is the eggs, the vegetable oil. Now I also going to add, I got about 6 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice. And I'm going to throw that in there as well. Okay, so I am going to put that close to me because we are going to use it. Okay, so make a little, we're going to put our banana mixture. And we are going to add our egg mixture. Now we're going to gently stir it. Try not to over stir it. Okay, so now we're just going to put that, we're going to spread it into our nice pan. So here is our wonderful bun. It actually took about 40 minutes to cook. And now I'm just going to go over the corners. Loosen those corners, and hopefully this will come out nice. There we go. So I'm going to let it cool. And we're going to go and make a cream to put on it. Oh my God, this smells amazing, guys. Look at how moist that is. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Look at that. So go ahead and make it. Your family is going to love it. Bon appetit, guys.